Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 16th of March 2022. A heck of a crazy day today. It was a Fed day, and the Federal Reserve did raise interest rates by about 25 basis points, but it was a pretty hawkish rise. And central banks around the globe are probably like, crap. When I worked at the central bank, and the guy in charge of it before me had the job, none of this stuff was happening. And so they probably got the worst job in finance right now. No, that's not true. Any tax preparer here in the US probably has that job right now. Especially if you're trying to find the cost basis of cryptocurrency transactions that have exchanges that just don't show that, and you have to go back manually. And I'm not saying that I have a 2200 that I have to fix, but I just know somebody who has. Oh, God. Anyways, looking at Cardano here on the daily chart, you can see strong evidence of a bottom developing. And actually, let's just kind of take a look here, going through the 3-week chart. I mean, the top of the Ichimoku cloud is at 71, 72-ish, and we're above that. So could it come down there? Sure. Is it likely to? It could. But when you look at the weekly chart here, shows a little bit of a different story. So pretty clear, dramatic, not dramatic, maybe dramatic's not the right word for it, but a pretty clear drive south here for, I just try to zoom out and get a little bit better view here for Cardano. When you look at this candlestick, it is engulfing, the body is engulfing the body of the prior. Ideally, we would get it engulfing the entire range. That would be most ideal, but currently it is showing some signs of a nice bullish reversal here. And as far as where it would go and where it could go, I think you got to play it pretty conservative, because it, Cardano has been rejected repeatedly over the last. We're going into we're within that reversal time frame that I've talked about before with Bitcoin too. March 21st is really 2 weeks before that, and a week after that is when crypto markets, when they've been trending lower, they typically find some massive new trends begin. And Cardano is definitely in that boat. And in fact, Cardano, more than all of them, has this major pump coming up. And, I think the first stopping point you're going to get to is that 50% fib retracement at the $1 level, because that is the $1 level is the like most important psychological level on the chart right now. It is right where that 50% fib retracement is at. It's where the top of the cloud is at. So I mean, there's just a lot of reasons to anticipate some very big activity that is going to generate some selling pressure up at that $1 range. But it could very easily, very easily surpass it at the same time. So downside risks, again, likely limited to that 70-cent range, 71-cent range. Upside potential limited to the dollar range for right now. Revisit it and update it as needed. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.